Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. Welcome to this channel where I'm going to share with you my all tips and tricks how I grow my business to using all strategy on a digital marketing. In this series, I'm going to show you about the whole Facebook advertising, how you can structure your campaign. This is the most important thing if you are planning to run ads on Facebook. So let's get on to the screen. If you're new in this channel, just hit the button subscribe and bell button to subscribe my channel so that whenever I launch any video you will be get the notify from YouTube. So guys, let's jump onto the screen. So we'll be show you what is the structure of the campaign, and this is the very important thing to understanding about this all things, right? So here, if you're on the white screen, I'm going to show you whenever you see ads on Facebook name as sponsored, there is a very big strategy behind it. बहुत बड़ी strategy ਉਹਦੇ back ਤੇ use ਹੋਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, how we can structure that campaign. बहुत ज़्यादा important चीज़ है ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ sponsored ad देखते हो. Basically there is a one campaign we have to manage it, right? ਜਿਹੜੀ sponsored ad है, there is a part of campaign उसਦੇ back ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ strategy use ਹੋਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, a structure use ਹੋਇਆ. Basically ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ campaign ਹੁੰਦਾ in a one campaign where we are going to set up a goal. Now what is goal? Guys, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ business start ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, you should always have a goal in your mind. Goal means if you want a traffic on your website, the goal would be traffic. If you want a conversion on your website, the goal would be a conversion. अगर तुसी lead चाहते हो, then your goal will be lead, right? So on. If you want a brand promotions, your goal would be a brand promotion. I will be make a video where each and every campaign I'm going to define you कि केड़ा campaign असी किथे use कर सकते हैं. This series, don't forget to subscribe this channel. In this series, I'm going to give you my all live examples, live strategy which I use to grow my business. So that will be really helpful for you. So in a one campaign where we are going to set up our goal, in one campaign there will be a ad group, or we call it as an ad set, right? Is the which ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ guys, एक campaign ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ more than one ad group you can create it, or more than one ad set. So same thing, more than one ad set ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Ad sets ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ basically, so on, right? Ad sets ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, there the all magic will happen. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ dream audience ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Dream audience means ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ad ਦਿਖਾਣੀ ਹੈ. For example, dream audience means ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ campaign run ਹੋਇਆ based on your product, ਉਸ audience ਦਾ interest ਕੀ ਹੈ, behave ਕੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ demographic ਕੀ ਹੈ. Demographic means ਉਹ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ, ਉਹਦੀ age ਕਿੰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਕਰਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ, right? This is all are the demographic and behavior. ਉਹਦਾ interest ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, how they searching on Facebook, what kind of things they are interested in. This is all are in this ad group, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ in this ad set, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ dream audience ਨੂੰ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਹਾਂ, right? Same way here ad set. मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक live example भी देख के दिखाऊंगा. In ad group we can create more than one ads. ads, Raji, this is those edit that finally your audience will see. ads ने ਜਦੋਂ finally ਤੁਹਾਡੀ audience ਉਹਨੂੰ see ਕਰੇਗੀ, the strategy, there is a note that ad should be attractive. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ad ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ click on, the ad should be attractive. In this series I'm going to share with you the old tricks how you can create an attractive ad, so that ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ customer Facebook scroll ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇ, then they should be stop over there and they will be click on that ads ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ strategy use ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। I will be share with you my strategy how I create that ads so that it looks attractive ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ a person just scrolling their Facebook ਤੇ ਉਹ stop ਹੋ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ads click करे। That should be our goals, right? So base same here, ad 1 same, ad 2 so on, right? Here same अगर साढ़े को ad group ने तो ਅਸੀਂ अपनी ads बनाने हैं। Now I'm going to give you my live example, guys. VNZISD मैं किਵੇਂ अपना campaign create ਕੀਤਾ, this is the whole thing I'm going to show you. VNZISD a New Zealand Institute of Skills Development, ਅਸੀਂ course provide ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। We have 3 kind of courses: IT, digital marketing and accounting. We are providing this all courses to the student ताकि we can so that we can help them to secure their job, so build their skills so that they can secure their job, right? ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ campaign ਕਿਵੇਂ clear ਕਰਾਂ। ਮੇਰਾ goal ਹੁੰਦਾ traffic always, my goal always be at traffic, because ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹਨਾ कि a person who saw my ad just come on my website ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ information ਲਵੇ, then they will be contact to me, right? ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ad group ਬਣਾਉਂਗਾ IT ਦੇ base ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I'm going to find my dream audience who have interest in IT or this kind of stuff, right? Same ad group I will be created or ad set in digital marketing and same ad sets for the accounting, right? That will I will making. So हर IT ads दिया मैं ads तैयार करूँगा। Guys, here is another tip for you. Every ad set should have at least 2 to 3 ads. You should give some options to the Facebook ताकि Facebook ਨੂੰ options ਮਿਲਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ad ਕਿਹੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ perform ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਦਿਖਾਣੀ ਹੈ, right? So make sure that you should have more than 2 ads or 3 ads in each ad set, so on, right? Ad 1, ad 2, ad 3, so on. ਇਹ ਉਹ final ad ਹੈ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ dream audience ਨੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ live example ਦਿਖਾਣਾ। We have here NZISD traffic phone call ताकि a person who saw my ad just directly call me, right? मैं off किया because the last time we have a heaps of leads, and last we got a heaps of leads, right? Heaps of conversions we already have. If you see on here, guys, I have again the 3 ad set जो मैं use करता हूँ। IT trainings in New Zealand who are people who are interested in IT, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਮੈਂ ਐਡਸ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਮੋਰ ਦੈਨ 5 ਐਡਸ ਆਈ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟਡ। ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ 3 ਐਡ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਰਨਿੰਗ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਚ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ 2 to 3 ਐਡ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਰਨ, ਤੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਦਿਨ ਬਾਅਦ after 2 days 3 days ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਫ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀਆਂ ਚਲਾ ਦੇਣਾ। So here in the another ad sets I have digital marketing one, I have more than 5 ads here. Same in accounting, I have more than 3 or 4 ads here. This is how I structure my campaign for my advertising. And this is the big secret, guys, where I'm going to run my campaigns. I got heaps of queries from the customer. I hope that helps. Agar tusi apna business layi ya if you want to learn or if you want to provide your services to someone, agar tusi apni advertising agency bhi kholna chahte ho, let's use that strategy. It's a small one, but it's very effective. Right? I hope that helps you out. If you have any kind of question, just comment below, guys. I'm more than happy to help you, or more than happy to give an answers of your questions if you have any kind of question. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you, guys.